Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to today's episode of Drunken Sailor. I want to thank everyone who subscribed to the channel last week. We had quite a few additions to it. And I also want to announce that we're working on TikTok now. So if you look for a hashtag Drunken Sailor, or if you look for Kay Spinell, you should be able to find us on TikTok also. A little bit quicker version, so if you don't want to watch for the full 3 minutes, it's a good way to get whatever we're making for today. Today we're going to celebrate our local heritage. We're going to make a cocktail that we've dubbed the Oneida Lake Mermaid. So with that, let's get started. We're going to take a glass filled with crushed ice. We're going to start 1 ounce of lemon juice. That's about a half a lemon. Next, 3 ounces of pineapple juice. And remember, when you're using these fruit juices, fresh is always best. Next, we're going to start adding some of the good stuff. We are going to start with 1.5 ounces of coconut rum. This is fast becoming one of the favorites around this house. Next, we're going to use 3/4 ounce of dark rum. Today we're using Gosling's black rum. And to finish the ingredients, 1/2 ounce of the Blue Curaco. And that goes in there. Next stop, Shaker Town. What you're going to find is this beautiful colored drink that is reminiscent of Oneida Lake. So, we're going to take a tall glass. In this case, we're using a Tom Collins glass. We're going to strain into a glass with ice, and you'll just see that beautiful Oneida Lake green. To finish it off, we're going to garnish with a fresh lemon wheel. Throw a straw in there, and that is the Oneida Lake Mermaid. It doesn't taste fishy at all.
No, good. Perfect.
Perfect. That's it, folks, the Oneida Lake Mermaid. If you like it, subscribe. Don't forget to find us on TikTok, and remember to drink responsibly. Have a great day, everyone.